Welcome to Next Travel Videos. In this video, we will share a quick overview of a must-see outdoor attraction called Journey Behind the Falls. This attraction is located on the Canadian side of Niagara Falls at the Table Rock Welcome Center and is easily accessible from most popular hotels located in nearby area. It offers a unique and close-up view of the Horseshoe Falls from behind the waterfall itself. Visitors descend approximately 150 feet by elevator to a series of tunnels that lead to observation decks and portals directly behind the falls. The tunnels were carved through bedrock. There are 2 outdoor observation decks and 2 portals located directly behind the waterfall. The decks provide an extraordinary view of the water crashing down from 13 stories above. The tunnels and observation decks have been in place for over a century. The attraction has been continually updated and maintained to ensure visitor safety and enhance the experience. Journey Behind the Falls is open year-round, although the experience can vary with the seasons. In winter, visitors can often see parts of the falls frozen, while in summer, the volume of water is at its peak. At Journey Behind the Falls, you will experience the awesome spectacle of 1/5 of the world's freshwater crashing down to the basin below. During summer daylight hours, over 2,800 cubic meters of water thunders over the brink every second, traveling 65 kilometers per hour. Tickets can be purchased on-site or online, and the attraction is accessible for visitors with disabilities, though the mist and spray may present challenges for some. Note that waterproof ponchos are provided to all visitors. Without ponchos, you will likely get wet from the mist and spray, so taking them is a necessity that would keep you and your belongings dry during your visit. Journey Behind the Falls provides an intimate and awe-inspiring perspective of one of the world's most famous natural wonders. In addition to visiting Journey Behind the Falls adventure, you can also take a boat tour. A boat tour of Niagara Falls is a thrilling way to experience the power and majesty of the falls up close. As you can see in this video, the boats get very close to the base of the Horseshoe Falls, allowing passengers to feel the mist and hear the thunderous roar of the water. The boat tours typically last about 20 minutes and offer spectacular views of the falls, including the American Falls, Bridal Veil Falls, and Horseshoe Falls. Also note, there are only 2 boat tours operators, each of those operating either on American or Canadian side of Niagara Falls. We would like to thank you for watching this video till the end. A remaining part will feature a few more fragments from our journey accompanied with relaxing music. If you like this video, please feel free to share it with your friends or family and share your comments or questions down below. Make sure to check links in the comments section to see other popular attractions also located on the Canadian side of Niagara Falls.